Some of the country's most powerful business leaders have pledged to help the government in the distribution of COVID-19 vaccines when they get here. A memorandum of understanding was signed yesterday to facilitate the effort. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
In a few days, the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine will be in Jamaica. It will be one of the most important developments in recent memory. That's why influential local groups are being called on to help. On Tuesday, the Ministry of Health signed a memorandum of understanding with several business groups. The groups, as part of the agreement, will, among other things, buy more dosages of the vaccine and help ensure the vaccine gets to those who need it quickly.
To facilitate the distribution in a transparent manner and on a cost-plus basis, that means no profit, of COVID-19 vaccines procured by the Ministry of Health on behalf of such members of the associations.
President of the private sector organization of Jamaica, TVJ, Keith Duncan, admits the authorities are going to have a tough time implementing the COVID-19 vaccine program.
But this is going to be a very complex effort, very costly effort, and if we're to achieve herd immunity in a very short period of time, as we all want, so that we can, one, save lives, and two, get our economy and businesses and jobs back up and running, it will take a joined-up approach. And we are here willing to support.
The PSOJ president said in addition to the technical support business groups will give to the government, they will also have willing recipients lined up to take the vaccine.
We have had strong indications from our member associations, all wanting to come on board to vaccinate their employees, to vaccinate their family members, so therefore, and at our own cost. And we are willing also to look at how we can support with the at-risk population also. So we're fully on board.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton said the global news around the AstraZeneca vaccine is timely, given some of the suspicions some locals may have about the virus and the vaccines.
Because it's one thing to get the vaccines, it's another thing to get persons to take it. And I want the Jamaican people to appreciate that while we're in a hurry, we're absolutely careful to ensure that the process is safe for all Jamaicans. And these procedures and collaborations are part of that process. Yesterday, we got very good news from the World Health Organization, which listed two versions of the AstraZeneca Oxford COVID-19 vaccines for emergency use, giving the green light for these vaccines to be rolled out globally.
Close to 250,000 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine is to arrive this month, with 125,000 Jamaicans to benefit in the first phase. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.